Apparently, unbeknownst to me, Korea has just begun its kimchi making season. This season is known as Gimjang, and it's when ajumas get all the vegetables that have been grown over winter, like baechu and mu, and ferment it in large quantities to last the winter. I'm gonna try and make some kimchi, and let's see if it's cheaper to make it myself or just buy it in the supermarket. Little disclaimer, I've got no idea how to make kimchi. Let's make some kimchi. Now, if I was in England, I'd have to rely on Google for the recipe, but I'm in the motherland of kimchi, so I'm gonna go straight to the source and ask an ajuma for the ingredients. Step 1, find out what ingredients I need. This is video 50 of my Living in Korea playlist, and if you're a subscriber, you'll be able to guess who I'm going to ask. But if you're new here, subscribe, and let's go to my auntie's Jaeukbokkeum restaurant.
자, 해봐. 배추.
배추 알아요?
소금.
소금.
미원. 미원. 고춧가루.
고춧가루.
생강. 마늘.
마늘.
간마늘이야, 간 거. 마늘. 간. 쪽파. 무.
무 이거.
젓갈.
젓가락?
젓가락. 젓가락 말고 젓갈. 젓가락은 이거고 젓갈.
젓가락. 오케이.
요 속에 양념 들어가는 거 젓가락. 새우젓이나 까나리 젓이나 뭐 그 마음대로. 새우젓.
오케이. 고맙습니다. I'm back in my room and I've got here what she wrote down, but the only problem is I can't read her writing at all. I think the first one says Bemu, and then the second one, I've got zero idea. Miwa? As always, things aren't as simple as you want them to be, so I'm just gonna pop downstairs and get her writing translated into something I can actually read.
Hey there.
안녕하세요. 도와주세요.
어떻게 도와줘요?
이거 못 읽겠어요. My auntie wrote it and I don't have any idea what it says.
It's 배추.
Bechu? Okay, I know bechu and I know mu.
What is mumu?
I don't know why she said mumu. Step 2, buy ingredients. Quantities? Not really sure. I'm on my way to Mangwon Market now. I've got all the ingredients translated so I know what I need. And at the end, I'll be interested to see what costs more, buying the ingredients and making it, or buying it ready-made in the supermarket. And when I get there, I'm gonna say to them, 배추 2개로 kimjang 할 거예요, which means I want to use 2 cabbages to make kimchi, so they don't give me too many ingredients. And Mangwon Market from my house is only like a 5-minute bike ride. Oh, gosh, oh, shiver. I don't have my headphones, but in my head I'm playing a song. Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Right about now,
the Funk Soul Brother.
Check it out now, the Funk Soul Brother. No. 실례합니다. 안녕하세요. 배추 2개로 김장 할 거예요. 도와주세요. 배추?
홀더.
무 하나만 주세요.
이거는 원. 무. 낮게.
Okay. 감사합니다. Alright, we're gonna get one of these. Oh, this is pretty cheap. It's only 1,500. Sweet. 감사합니다. Step 3, get cooking. I have all the ingredients here that my auntie told me to buy, including the MSG. Next thing I need to do, I need to know what to chop first, what amount I need, and what to mix together. And there's no way in hell I'm gonna ask my auntie how to do that, because 100% of the time I don't understand what she's saying. So I guess I'm gonna have to do some good old YouTube research. I've done some quality YouTube research and I've learned I need to do the following. I need to chop up the cabbage into pieces, put it in a big container, cover it with salt, let it sit so the water extracts from the cabbage, and then in about 2 or 3 hours, clean it, get all that salt, and then I'm ready to go to the next step. Chop, 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 chop. Everything's chopped and clean, time to salt it. Nice. Now I'm gonna salt it. I've got 2 cabbages and 500 grams of salt. I'm just gonna pour loads of salt in my hand and chuck it on and yeah. The only way I'm gonna find out if it's salty enough is to do a little taste test. So, let's get a nice white piece. Good. The weather's beautiful today, so whilst the lettuce is downstairs and the salt is being extracted, I've come up here and I'm going to julienne the vegetables. Julienne is just a fancy word for chop, 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 chop. I did some calculations. Here are my calculations, and the total cost for all the ingredients was 26,400. So, when all the kimchi's finished and made, I'm going to weigh it and then compare it with the price in the supermarket to see which works out cheaper. So let's remember this number, 26,400. I worked that out by myself. Oh yes. In case you didn't know, my videos are uploaded every Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday at 7 PM. And I'll show you everything there is to know about South Korea. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified when my videos are uploaded, and leave a comment and let me know if you've tried kimchi and what you think of it. When I first had kimchi was 4 years ago in Chosun and I hated it, but now I love it. As you can tell, that's why I'm making a lot of it. All right, next thing I need to do is I've got my cabbage drying off, I've got my ingredients here, I'm about to cook, everything's a mess, and that's because I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing. So yeah, everything's all over the place. But I'm just gonna go for it, and hopefully, and we'll just do a taste test. We'll add ingredients, taste it, add ingredients, taste it, add ingredients, probably throw up. Unfortunately, I don't have money for a YouTube studio, so I'm in the basement of my guest house, and I'm gonna pop my camera on here, and then use this as my cooking station. Subscribe. I've decided I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to chuck it in and then just keep doing the taste test and hopefully it'll work out for the best. God, look at those bags under my eyes. I look like I've been stung by a bee in the eye. Bloody hell, it's bubbling up quickly. Do I boil this? No, I think I don't boil it, I don't actually know. Turn it down. Whoa, that bubbled up real quick. It's like a cauldron. Quick cooking tip, don't put your face in steam, it burns. 1, 2, a little bit more. Then I'm gonna put fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. And then I'm gonna tastes alright. Tastes like a sweet porridge. But it smells fishy, but it doesn't really taste fishy. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna mix everything in this bowl. First, let's pop in this gloopy rice stuff. Oh, that sounds lovely. Next, I've got a cup. I'm gonna use this cup as measurement. I'm gonna use some ginger. A little bit more ginger. Next, we're going to put in some garlic. A tablespoon of garlic going in the cup. Another tablespoon of garlic. It's quite a large heaped tablespoon. So it's about half a cup of garlic. Next is shrimps. Little mini shrimpies. Oh, doesn't look very nice at all. Fishies, we're going to do. Ooh, let's get some of that juice. And finally is chili flakes, and I like stuff spicy, so I'm going to put quite a lot of this in. Now I'm going to mix my veg in with this paste that I've made, and then add the cabbage, and then am I using all of this? It's quite a lot. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. That tastes really good. This kimchi is going to be really good. Before we pack it away, I'm going to do a little taste test now. That's so good. Have another one with carrot. It's really good. Tastes really fresh. And then it's got a nice little kick of spice afterwards as well. Perfect. That's really, really good. We finally have the kimchi. After 2 weeks it's ready, and I am so excited to try it. Before I open it and try it, we're going to weigh it and see if it's cheaper to make it or buy it in the supermarket. In the supermarket, 3.3 kilograms on average costs 27,900, and we spent a total of 26,400. So finally, the moment of truth. Let's weigh it. Oh, I'm so excited. It has to be over 3.3 kilograms for it to be cheaper. So there's no other pressure being applied. This is the natural pressure of the kimchi, and we have 6 kilos. 6 kilos. It's double. It's double the amount. It's double. I think you know what that calls for. I've proven the hypothesis that it's cheaper. What have I proven? I've proven my hypothesis that it's cheaper to make kimchi than buy it in the supermarket, but the most important, we need to taste it and see how delicious it is. Oh, that smells so good. So juicy. It smells, honestly, it smells like kimchi that I eat in most restaurants. Doesn't it smell too fishy? It's like, none of the smells are too pungent, like it's not too radishy, too garlicky, too fishy. It smells really good. All right. It's literally perfect. It's perfect. I can't believe it's perfect. All right, I'm gonna have another one. I'm gonna have this bigger one now. Bigger piece. Look how good that looks. Oh my God, I can't believe how good it looks. And it tastes amazing. It's so juicy. It's not too salty. I was scared that I'd put too much salt on the cabbage when I was extracting the water. But it's perfect. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm actually ecstatic at how well that turned out, and I've actually got lots more ingredients left, so I'll be making some more kimchi in the future. And in tomorrow's video at 7 PM, I'll be giving my kimchi to Korean people and asking for their honest opinion. Click the like button, click subscribe, and in the comment section, let me know what you think of kimchi, good or bad. Yosh. 조심해 난 해적다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍둥이 얘는 조든이지
Kimchi, Gimjang, yes I eat that.